Team manager Roy Simpson is assuring Reggae Boy striker Darren Mattocks, who is facing legal problems in the United States, that he has the full support of the Jamaica Football Federation. Denise Walters tells us more.
Team manager of the Reggae Boys, Roy Simpson, is pledging the support of the Jamaica Football Federation to embattle the striker Darren Mattocks. Mattocks has been charged on one count of making a false, fraudulent or incomplete insurance claim and another count of theft by deception in the United States. Speaking on Hits 92 FM's The Sports Grill on Monday, Simpson revealed that he has spoken to the striker and has offered the Federation's help should he need it.
When I spoke with him too, he was quite, private with it. I didn't press him. I just reached out to him and let him understand that the entire nation is aware of what has happened. Mm-hmm. And as I said, if he needs our support in any way or form that he thinks we are capable of executing, we will assist.
As to whether Mattocks will be a part of the future national setup if found guilty, Simpson said it's important to wait on the verdict before any decision can be made.
I wouldn't want to preempt the verdict, mm-hmm. because, you don't want to put yourself in a position to say you defended a situation and it went the other way.
Yes.
So everybody is awaiting the outcome. And when I spoke to him, he was quite confident that he will be vindicated. So we are waiting.
It has been reported that FC Cincinnati's head coach Ron Johns has said Mattocks was not in his plans for this season's MLS campaign, and Simpson admitted that the player had requested a move prior to this incident.
He also pointed out that, which we were aware because we saw reports and I followed up with it, that the relationship with himself and FC Cincinnati was strained prior to this situation. So it's a fact that he has asked to be traded, and this situation kind of put a hurdle in his way. Hopefully he can get through it and then start playing again.
Mattocks, who has been slapped with 2 felonies in the state of Pennsylvania, returns to court on February 27 for arraignment, whereby he will be formally advised of the charges against him. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.